Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine. Welcome to
Hello everyone, good evening, good afternoon, good morning to all of you. Welcome to the stream again. Let me know, am I audible to all of you? Please let me know in the chat, guys. Am I audible? Loud and clear? Okay, so thank you so much. I'm sharing my screen. I will share my thoughts of the day plus weekly outlook, daily outlook for gold, NASDAQ, Forex peers. Let's go. Give me a second. I hope you guys see my screen. So I'm checking this price. This is on gold. This is on futures market. So I'm checking something on future price. Actually, I'm not trading with futures, but checking this data is also one of my checklists. Okay, and yeah. We have buy side liquidity above this high. This is Friday high as well as last week high, so this could be a very good liquidity upside. And for now, I'm planning for looking buys on gold, but this is not the level I'm looking right now. I'm looking at least it can go further for some manipulation and break of structure to upside. So that's my view on gold. And for Euro USD, I'm actually bullish on Euro USD today. So on 4 hour, you can look for this high over here and this high again on 4 hour, this smooth edge over here. So we see another break of structure on this level. So break of structure, I'm waiting for some sort of retracement. Let's wait for that. Mainly in 1 hour time frame, we have that retracement right now. And on 15, yep, here we go. This will be another level. Actually, for today, my bias is bullish on EU. And for gold as well, I'm looking for buys, but Not now exactly. I need some price action plus confirmation according to my checklist. Yep. And for NASDAQ, let me check, guys. For NASDAQ, I'm looking for at least this high to be taken out. And this is a gap, weekly opening gap. 4 hour is looking good. Coming for some retracement. What about 2 hour? Okay, 1 hour. All right, all right. And I would love to draw midnight opening for today. So it will be here, midnight opening. So as of my analysis, I'm also looking for buy on NASDAQ, but somehow I want to see to take out this low first and then break off structure to upside. So when I'm trading with NASDAQ or S&P 500, usually I trade only after 9:30 opening. So for now, I'm looking on gold and Euro USD. So this is the drawn liquidity upside over here. Let's see what the market gives to me. I have to be patient enough to wait for my entry level, for my confirmation and all. By the way, how are you doing, guys? How was your August so far? Please let me know. So I just want to check this high, okay. Oh, this is the exact level. I don't need to do that. All right. That's fine, brother, because every year, every year, August is the month where I trade less because of low volatility in the market. Usually, August is same like December and January for every year. So in August, usually for every year, I trade less because the market doesn't um, perform like any other months on these months, August, December, and January, because of low volatility. That is the reason why, especially in Europe and let's say in US side, this is the holiday month. So I'm trade less on this month. So let's see what it gives today. And if I see any of my setup, then I will took a live trade today. Nicely, it swept this low. London slow, it's already swept this London slow. And we have to be very careful with this price. let's wait for 8:30. It's almost, but 2 minutes from now, it will be 8:30 New York time. And we have a very clear edge over here. This will be the liquidity level in lower time frame. I want to check 3 minutes closing. 5 minutes will be in next 2 minutes. Good evening. Good evening. How are you guys? If I'm trading, I must be ready with my account. So I'm trading. I will be trading with this account over here. Okay. Let's wait for here. At 30. So this red line over here, this is the midnight opening for today. And I will be using this midnight opening until Friday because today is Monday. So this can be act as a opening price for this whole week. One hour, okay, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, rejecting from this level. 3 hour is also rejecting at about 2 hour. Okay, let's see. For 1 minute time frame, this fair value gap is very important because with this fair value gap, it uh, took out this liquidity downside, and again it helps with this breakout structure. So this variable gap will be very important for this 1 minute time frame. Let's see. You have background noise. So let me do one thing. Just give me a second. And I was switching my microphone. So guys, how about now for background noise? Which indicator? I'm not using any indicator, bro. It's all price action. I'm drawing everything this by my hand. You can use if you want, but for me, I don't use any indicator. Let me know, guys. Is it fine now for my background noise? One hour. Let me do something. This is Asia session. We have this order block again. So this is 15 minutes for goal. Today I'm looking for buy, but I need some manipulation downside. That's what I'm waiting, and price is also doing exactly right now. So let's wait patiently, but it can take out this low once more. It will be good for me. I just want to mention this Asian's low as well. Let's see.
Nasdaq is getting lower. That's cool. Yup. What about DXY? DXY going higher? What about S&P 500? Um, let's wait for the price. As a trader, my advice to all the beginner trader out there. So the first rule you have to follow is that you have to trade less. Don't try to be uh, in a mind where you need to trade every day, every sessions. It doesn't work like that. First of all, just know your setup, like what your ads look like exactly, and wait for your ads to be displayed by the chart or by the price, and then only you can participate with the price according to your setup. So first of all, you need to trade less. On average, like if you're a scalper or day trader, if you are taking around 5 to 8 trades a week, that's it. Maximum 5 to 8 trades, even though you are doing scalping. How do you use the midnight open? Yeah, midnight open I use as a opening price for the day, and if I'm bullish, then I will look for price to goes down below midnight open and then go higher as a manipulation. When I'm bearish, then I will look for midnight opening and price to manipulate upside first and then go down afterwards. So midnight opening will be act as a equilibrium for that day plus for that week. So it will act as a discount level downside and premium level upside. That's my point of view with midnight opening. Reaching to this gap after this consolidation. So let's wait. I'm not forcing myself to trade, even though I'm doing live trading in front of you. It doesn't mean that I have to trade every second, every session. So I have to wait for my setup. Then if I don't see my setup, then I will not trade for the day during this live. If I got my setup, then I will trade. Simple as that. I'm not a guy where I'm forcing myself to trade with the price every day, every session when I'm live to prove that to my viewers, to all the viewers that I'm doing right all the time. It doesn't work like that. If I don't get my setup or if I doesn't see my setup, I'm not trading, bro. Sorry for that. But I will keep analyzing the market, keep updating the market to all of you that what I'm looking for, what's my idea, what's my plan. I'm not here to prove you something. I'm here to share you something with my experience and the reality of a trader, that how a trader really uh, take a good decision with the market when they're alone with charts or when they're trading with uh, themselves. Na, 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 na. Mm. Okay, so right now, even though I'm looking for buy, but for now, market is very likely to reach down to this level, to this Asian slow. Uh, Price is 4367 level. It's very likely to reach this level according to this price. So this liquidity right here. Let me check with this one again. This is silver. I'm not trading with silver, but I took confirmation from silver as well when I'm trading with gold. Bro, can you suggest minimum trade in a day for a beginner? I cannot suggest the minimum trade as a beginner, but I can suggest the maximum trade as a beginner. There is a whole difference with that. So if you are beginner, just don't trade maximum more than 2 times a day. If you are losing with one trade, you can try for another one if you are willing to, if you got your setup. If you are losing on that second trade again, then you are done for the day. Or if in your first trade, if you are winning, then also you can done for the day. Don't wait for the second trade and losing again. Don't force to uh, trade with your profits again. Just take the profit for the day, and you can be done for the day. You use the whole same bias for the whole week. Sometimes, but not sometimes, because it my bias will be according to the market structure. So let's say, for example, I'm bullish today because the market is showing me higher highs and higher lows. But suddenly it can change, reverse back to from higher highs and higher lows. Suddenly it will break off structure downside and it turns to lower highs and lower. So then it will change my bias. Let me check something. If I am doing here, what will be my... This is not good at all. Yeah, this could be good. Let's see. If it goes a little back over here and reject from this level, then I can take sell from this level, but not from here. Let's see. Okay. Let me check something. So this will be around 50 pips, 55 pips. So let's see, guys. I'm taking a sell right now. I'm willing to take a sell if I see any rejection. It need to be reject from this level in a 1 minute time frame. Another one over here. Or if it suddenly goes up and break this level, then I will take a buy. if it break above this fair value gap, this one. Let's see. Let's wait for the price, bro. Let's wait. Let's wait. 15 minute. 15 minute. Okay. Either it got rejected from this level, or then I will go for sell. And if it breaks above this fair value gap like this one, then I will look for buy over here. Three hour is closing in next 3 minutes. Okay. Bro, can you execute trade in your PC? No, brother. For now, I'm trading with my phone because I'm trading from MT5. Sometimes I do, but it's not comfortable with me. Okay, going upside. Let's wait for candle closer. Three-hour is closing. Okay. And if it close above this high or this fair below gap, I'm looking for buy on that. Good rejection from this level. Nice one. Let's wait for candle closer. Okay, I'm entering right now. This will be my stop loss. This is my TP. I'm entering. Okay. I'm risking around 1.5% on my 50K. I'm trading with challenge account. Let's see. If I'm hitting my stop loss on this trade, I'm done for the day. And if I'm also winning, then I'm done for, because usually on Monday I took only one trade. So this will be my last and first trade for today. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. My stop is around 87 pips, and I'm targeting for around 140 pips, 146 pips. Let's see. Let's see. Hi, brother. Hi, how are you? DXY is rejecting from this level. That's why. Can go down further. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, it's about to hit my SL, so this will be my first and last trade. Let's see. That's why I'm risking 1.5 on my challenge account. I don't want to risk on my funded. Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit better now, but not 100%, but almost 95%. I'm already recovered. So still, I have some cough. It's 15 pips left. Okay, it got rejected again. Let's wait for the candle closure. Rejecting again. Rejection is very good. Let's wait for candle closure. This trade is playing with our emotion every day, every trade. So you can be a good trader when it doesn't affect that much with your emotions. By the way, I will be still keeping this trade. Either it can hit my SL or TP. So I'm not arranging anything right now. And again, thank you so much everyone for joining in this live. And again, for this Trading TV live, I will be here every Monday, and Monday to Friday, every day will be live on this channel with different traders out there from um, different place of this world. So there will be different traders today coming every day on this time, same timing. So thank you so much to Trading TV again for giving us this opportunity, to myself and to all the traders out there and to all the viewers out there. We are sharing something with our experience, and you all guys are learning something from us. So thank you so much for that. And I will keep this trade until it hit my TP or SL. So uh, that's it for day. I can call it a day for today because it's already time up for this live, and I have to do something with my own community as well. So thank you so much, and hope you all doing well, and best of luck for this week. Be safe and see you again, guys. Bye bye.